Should be working now. Um, just check on my other channel. Yeah, it should be going. We're just gonna be doing some coding today. Um, just kind of working through everything. Looks like it's working out. Just check on my other channel. That should be going. Yeah, so the audio is not great, but it's my face and I'm there, so that's all that matters. It's done. Yeah. White space, statements, system print. Print ln. Seems should probably have a keybind to mute this. Properties, probably an advanced side. No, it's not it. Hmm. It's probably somewhere in settings. I don't know what snap sensitive is. Um, audio. Hotkeys. Never pushed up. Oh, I don't see the mute button though. Oh, enable push to mute. Hmm. I need to see how to actually set that up. Just 1 second. This one. Settings, hotkeys. Okay. I got I got it set up. So if I want to mute back and forth, and then I can turn it back on. So that works good. Back to here. Practice. Okay. Great. Um, I don't need the projects right now. I just need to learn the basic stuff. Yeah. File language code. Rewrite is translated by another dual language versions. Yes, that is true. To compile it. In Java, what is the purpose of leaving comments in code? If I checks that the compiler must pass, no. They are only presenting compile code, no. Yes, it's for humans to read. Code print. So it's public class. The class is called hello string method, system out print line. So it's just going to print hello Cody on a line. Should be this. What is missing from this Java program? Public class language tags. Conversation. So it already has a single line comment that correctly breaks is it has and yeah, it doesn't need to combine right here. Compile. The name of the file if it contains the full code. We call it hello world.java because we're running it in Java, and then if we compile it, it'll be put in .class. Systems. Right. So it would start with this, and it would end with this. And maybe this is just another comment in there. Okay. Oh, okay. So these are probably switched. The top one and the second one are probably switched then. Maybe I should have a live chat up on my phone. That would probably help. Not that anyone puts anything in here anyways, but, just in case. Oh, man. Yeah, something is messed up with my back. So, language packs, status. Going with Outlet. It will have an error. Third system println does not have a semicolon. An error? No, it will. It will get an error. Fix, yeah, just one incorrect. Is this one? Correct answer. Yep, just switch those two. Because it is a multi-line comment, that's why. I think we're good to continue learning. Okay. Yeah, skip for now. I mean, I need to know Java in the next 4 weeks, so if I need to pay for a subscription in the next 2 weeks, I will, but other than that, I shouldn't need to. Okay, show to users and play tree for code review available when you're done. Okay. In Java, name tree.java, define a class that follows the Java naming conventions. Okay, so we're going to start with public class. That's not what I want. Actually, I want to get rid of this line. So public class, and I want to call it tree.java, and do that. Okay. Tree.java. So I just need to call it tree. There we go. Okay. Let's save this. Didn't, oh, it just wants me to check it off the list. Okay. Method of matching, please define method as public state. Okay, so it wants that. could produce an error because our program its main method. Find this method inside the curly braces of the true class. Perfect. So go public should be indented though. Just make sure this is how it's written. Public class, whatever you're calling it, and then a space and then curly brackets. There we go. So I think it does need the space there. Public static void main. We'll call it that, and then I think these also get a curly brace around them. I believe they do. Yes, it does get a curly brace after it. Okay. Oh, so save that. Public static void. Public static void main. Oh, it needs the whole thing in there. Yep. So that's taking string and args. Perfect. So now that works. Not giving us an error. Keep moving on. Write a comment in the main thing. So inside the curly braces of main. That describes the task for and print a tree to the screen. Okay, well, let's use just a single line comment. We are going to print a tree to just goes basically that. Okay. So save it. Obviously, it's not going to do anything because it's a comment, so it just does that. Before your comment, print a message introducing yourself to the user. Okay, so before the comment, print below your comment. Oh, print a message. Okay. To your user, introducing yourself to the user. Okay. So your system, camel case, I believe is what it's called. System.out.println. We're gonna say, hey there, Ando, and I need to tell you. Oh, perfect. This message should be printed at the screen. I need a semicolon for sure. That's the one thing Python to this I keep forgetting. Hey there, I'm Ando, and I'm learning to code in Java. Perfect. Okay. Planting trees. After introducing yourself. Oh, so it's not an actual picture. It's just made out of asterisks. Okay. Use another print statement to output the project goal. So like, okay. So I want that on a separate line. Not physically in the code, a separate line, but like print ln. So I want it on a separate line than the hey there. So I don't want any words on that same line that's printed out on the right side. Okay. You say, okay. Yeah. We'll set that. That works. Semicolon. Yes. Okay, and then we're gonna plant our tree. So we're gonna do system out print ln space. It's weird because it does add strict. So I guess I'll just have to go back and forth between the muting and stuff. Okay. Um, Stretch it over here on my end. I don't know. Can you copy? It looks like you can copy. Yes, you can. Okay, perfect. And then I'm gonna use, yeah, it doesn't mute it if I do that asterisk. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, it doesn't mute it if I use the asterisk on the keyboard, Shift 8, which I don't mind doing. So, we're gonna need semicolons after each one of these. So that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I should have had a semicolon. Ready to go. If I had a mouse, it'd be easier. I just don't want to set that all up right now. Because I really don't know how long I'm gonna be streaming. Yeah, that should print the tree. It should be in the middle of the tree. So yeah, that's the tree I was looking for. Different trees. I want to. Um, okay. Let's review your perfect. Let's keep out. Frequently make spaces inside quotes. There's not extra spaces in the quotes. I don't think. Maybe it means that. So I think by removing it, it will still say the same tree. Yes. Okay. I mean, that's not how they did it in the project, so I find that a little weird, but those are all the things. So, okay, perfect. Skip for now. Yeah, they're really aggressive with that. Integrated development environment application that makes programming easier. Oh, okay, so like VS Code is an IDE. Yeah, integrated. Integrated development environment enables programmers to consolidate the different aspects of writing a computer program. IDE productivity by combining common activities of writing software into a single application, editing source code, building executables, and debugging. Source code, writing code, support file. And the program is born. IDEs facilitate this process with features like syntax, highlighting, autocomplete. Yep. IDE, keywords, plus Java. I have different colors. Samples. Yep. Syntax highlight. Complete. Display. Okay. Okay. Executables. Java is like a pocket language. Before programs run the source code of that Java class was compiled. This compilation process is necessary for every program, so why not have the IDE do it for us? IDEs provide automated build processes for language, so you have to compile and execute. Code is abstracted away, like a Code Academy lessons. Right, and pretty much anywhere you go, even like sandboxes and stuff. No programmer avoids writing bugs in programs with errors. When a program does not run correctly. IDEs provide debugging tools that allow programmers to examine different variables and expect their code in a deliberate way. IDEs also provide hints while coding to prevent errors before compilation. Go to the computer. Okay, I already have VS Code, which I'm comfortable with, so I use that. I don't really want to read that right now, to be honest. Continue. Skip for now. Next. Okay, so yeah, here we go. Stuff. Okay, well, I'm gonna take a little break, and check on the bees that I'm freezing right now, but thank you guys for watching. Um, if you're watching this after, because I think I was the only person on my phone that was watching this just to see the live stream. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and check out some of my videos. I have more content there. I'm working on a coding video right now called I Tried Learning Java in 20 Days. So if you want to check that out, um, give it 30, 40 days and I should have it out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and hope to see you guys in